Standard 10 embonini. No, standard 10 Braamfontein. Standard 10 Braamfontein. Sharp. So we look at the exam types for probability, right? So in this extraction, you are given an extraction from 2015. So this is a Venn diagram, right? So research was conducted about driving under the influence. Yeah, plus right now it's about to be festive. People will be under influence. Sharp. So you have information obtained from traffic authorities, the force, the Pope, in 54 countries. I bet South Africa is part of them. These are the methods used to measure alcohol levels in a person. So, let's see. 4 countries use all 3 methods, A, B, and C. 4 countries. So in the Venn diagram, we see that 4 countries are using it. And then you have 12 countries, 12 countries that use alcohol content from bread. So the breathalyzer. So 12 countries are operating with a breathalyzer. And then that's A. And alcohol concentration. So they're checking also the blood alcohol concentration. So A and B. In total, it's 12. This is A and B, the intersection of A and B. That is 12, 4 plus 8. And then you have 8 countries use, or 9 countries. They use B, blood alcohol concentration, and certificates from their dogs. I don't know how they get the certificates. Like, do they stop you and like give you a certificate, or like, I don't know. But then like, yeah, check on that, guys, please. And then 9 countries in total concentration, B and C. This is B and C. B and C is 9. So here it's going to be 5. 5. If this is 9 in total, B and C. So this is going to be equal to 9. Sharp. And then 8 countries use alcohol content of breath and certificates issued by the doctor. Another certificate. What kind of certificate? 8 countries. A and C. A and C, it's 8 countries. 8 countries. 8 countries. 8 countries. A and C. Ironic. A and C. So there are 8. So because I already have 4, this is going to be a 4. Because when I add both of them, they give me 8. And then you have 21 countries. 21. Would you do something for me? Would you do something for me? Sure. So 21 countries use alcohol, right? Content. That is A. 21 countries use A. 21 countries. So I'm going to look at the whole of A. So the whole of A gives me 21. Remember, it's not when they say, they could have said only. If they said only, then I would focus on this thing. If they said only A, then I would focus on this thing. So here, that portion, it is A only, right? If they said countries that use content, alcohol content only, then I would focus only on that. But now they want the whole of A. They're saying in total, right? So it's going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 16, right? I must get to 21. So it means that this is equal to 5. Then they're saying 32 countries use blood alcohol concentration. 32 countries. Yeah, there's a lot of countries that use this. Now this one doesn't have like scams, can like easily take someone saying that, throw me your blood, my nigga. I'll throw you blood so I can pass this test. So 32 is B, 32. So the whole of B, I'm gonna focus on the whole. The whole of B. So the whole of B must give me 32. The whole of this. So I have 15. 15, so 7 plus 4, which is 19. plus 8 is 27. So plus 5, that's 32. Good. And then 20 countries, certificates, 20 countries. So I already have 4, 8, 4. Already have this 4, then 8, then 13. So I'm left with 7 to make 21. Right. So then my Venn diagram is complete, right? Because of there's the 6 that use none of these methods. I wonder what methods do they use? These ones. Okay. Get into the questions. The first question is use the information and the Venn diagram to determine the values of D, E, F, and G. That's what we already done. So the first thing you need to do when you're going to answer questions of the Venn diagram, make sure you complete this. Make sure it's full, that there are values within the unknown variables so that it's easier when you're answering questions. Because as you can see here, that's the first question here. So we already know that D is 5, F is 7, G is 5 also. So I'm gonna say D equals 5, G equals 5, F equals 7. What else? The last one was G. Okay, not G. It was just, I think it's E. I think it's E. The one that was here, it's E. Yes, it's E. So E, what is already E? 4. E was 4. B is 4. Then you get your whole 4 marks. And then get into the next question. The next question, it wants the understanding of the Venn diagram. So if you fully comprehend this, you understand that looking at the diagram here, they're saying calculate the probability of A and B and C. So there's something you need to understand about the ends, right? So if they're saying end means intersection. Intersection. It's the intersection. So A and B, right? The intersection. So if you check A and B, this is what they mean here. The intersection. The intersection. Then you have this also.